So hello teacher, today we're gonna present you our final project called DevBoard, me, Aibyn, and my teammate Zhansaya. So here we have project called DevBoard, and stack we use it is React, Tailwind, as you can see here, Express, PostgreSQL, and so on.
So slide number 2, what we built for whom. DevBoard is a simple Kanban board, private, which consists of private board, columns, cards, and drag and drop and persistent storage. No workspace setup, no onboarding wizard. Our target users are students, freelancers, and solo developers who saw slide 3, our user story number 1. Register sign in. First, authentication. User register with a unique email. Password as hashed with bcrypt. Login issues 7-day GWT. Invalid credentials return error.
So as you can see here, I'm creating new account. Okay. I have created new account and I immediately logged in. So by creating new account, we have such token, Jupyter token, and by investigating this token, we can see email of user, ID of user, and expiration date. So this token will expire after 7 days, as you can see here. We can log out and try to log in again. And we can write invalid password, or invalid password, and it will give us such error. And also here's we have email validation. So it's our basic auth method. Next.
Next is boards and columns. Users create and rename from the dashboard. Inside columns like to do, in progress, done are added, renamed in line or deleted.
So here, let me show a board creation. We can create any board with any title. We can rename it after it, or we can delete it. To deletion, we should confirm our action. So let me create some test board. And search user story is creating columns inside board. Basically, we have such default columns to do, in progress, done. We can create a new one. Here you can see we can rename it also, and we can delete it. So next.
So next it's cards and descriptions. Cards are created inside columns. Opening a card lets you edit the title and description or delete it.
So let me show some card creation. We have title, description, and priority, such low, medium, high. After creation card, we can edit title, description, or priority. Also, we can delete it, and we can drag and drop it, as you can see here.
Drag and drop priority, cards drag across columns and reorder within the same column. Visual feedback under 1 second, order persists on reload. Each card can also be assigned low, medium, and high, or high priority.
So I showed this functionality. So let's skip it.
So let's requirements. 20 of 24 requirements fully implemented. Four of them partial. Partial means missing in evidence only, not missing behavior. So
Next.
the uh, decisions we stand
So
behind
why we
Postgres.
yes, why we chose PostgreSQL and Prisma? Because we have a relational database system like user, board, columns, card hierarchy, and we need also some library to interact with our database. We chose Prisma. Why we chose PostgreSQL, not, for example, MongoDB, because MongoDB would have required manual ordering logic, extra work, extra difficulty, and no benefit. And would reverse our decision is manual testing only by throughput. And we catch 2 bugs, as you can see here, but we already fixed it.
So now our hypothesis, simplicity and speed matter more to our users than feature breadth. The full workflow is live and proven. So, however, repeated use by external users isn't yet validated.
So
Uh,
last step, we should do some external user testings and automated test suites, as you can see here. Also, we have deployed our app using render website, as you can see here. We have deployed a client side, deployed our database, and deployed backend service. All links are attached here, including GitHub. Also, we have such Swagger for our documentation. It's fully working, and we can test also our APIs. So also we included a delivery report. So I think that's all. Thank you for your course. Goodbye.